Are you struggling to get traffic to your website? It feels like you're creating amazing content, but no one's finding it, right? The secret isn't just about what you write, it's about what people are searching for. And that secret is keyword research. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can find the right keywords to boost your rankings and get noticed. So, what is keyword research anyway? Think of it as market research for the digital world. It's the process of finding the words and phrases that your audience actually types into search engines, like Google. By understanding what they're looking for, you can create content that directly answers their questions. When you use the right keywords, you're basically telling Google, hey, this page is the perfect answer for this search. This helps Google love your content and makes it incredibly easy for your target audience to find you. But hold on, not all keywords are created equal. First, you have short tail keywords. These are usually 1 or 2 words, like running shoes. They get a ton of searches, but they're also super competitive. Then you have long tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases, like best running shoes for flat feet. They have lower search volume, but are far less competitive and attract highly targeted visitors. Finally, don't forget LSI, or latent semantic indexing keywords. These are just related terms that help Google understand the context of your page. A good strategy uses a mix of all three to cover all your bases and attract the right kind of traffic. Ready to find some keywords? Let's get practical. Start by brainstorming topics you think your audience cares about. Just write down all your initial ideas. Then it's time to bring in the tools. You can use free tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest, or more advanced ones like SEMrush and Ahrefs. Enter your brainstormed topics, and these tools will spit out tons of keyword ideas, along with data like search volume and competition. Your goal is to find that sweet spot. Keywords with high search volume but low competition. Analyze them for search intent. What is the user really trying to find, and choose the most relevant ones for your content. Once you have your golden keywords, it's time to put them to work. The key is to use them naturally within your content. Don't just stuff them in everywhere. That's a one-way ticket to a penalty from Google. Instead, place them strategically in your page title, your main headings and subheadings, your meta description, and within the first paragraph or so of your article. And a pro tip: add them to your image alt text to always remember the golden rule: write for humans first and search engines second. And that's it. Keyword research is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. If you follow these steps, focus on creating high-quality, helpful content around your chosen keywords, you'll watch your website climb the rankings and attract the perfect audience for your business. For more quick and actionable digital marketing tips, don't forget to subscribe to Oi Marketing Min. Thanks for watching.